Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I posted, and I'm taking this video to shout out my friend Ninja, I don't know how to pronounce that, in Firework Factory, also known as Krazoa, that I've learned, I think. Yeah, and he has 70 subscribers, a lot more than me. Yeah, he shouted me out before. Where is he? Where's that? I know he shouted me out somewhere. Where is that? Come on, man. Whatever. He shouted me out in the other video, and I decided that, hey, it's only fair if I shouted him right back out. Oh, yay. Yeah. So go subscribe to Krazoa, and I will see you guys in another video.